The federal government and state governors they don agree to delay the implementation of financial autonomy for local governments until the month of October for inside this year 2024. And this particular decision, my good people, it was made due to concern about salary payments and overall functioning of these local councils them. However, my good people, as of the month of July for inside this year 2024, local governments they still no receive their funds directly for inside the meeting of the Federation Allocation Account Committee, wey be FAAC, where funds now supposed to be distributed to all levels of government. The local government their share of 337.19 billion naira, it was not paid to their account. They don't give them direct as the Supreme Court they take order. Now, in reaction to this development, so the Association of Local Government of Nigeria, wey be ALGON, they don't express their frustration over the delay. Normally, it don't make sense. It go para plenty people. They can accuse state finance commissioners of working with governors to block the direct payment of funds to local government. Normally, who no go suspect foul play? Who no go suspect mago when court don already sama order on top the matter? The body now constantly threaten legal action against these commissioners if they fail to comply with the Supreme Court their ruling. On the 25th day of July for inside this year 2024, the federal government eventually confirm am say the direct payment of funds to local government never starts for inside the country. When the Minister of Finance, wey be Wale Edo, wan come explain about the matter, because the yarn say there were still practical impediments to implementing the Supreme Court their order, and he say they don arrange one committee like that. They don form committee wey go dey study the ruling and they go find a way to put them into practice. Now, Tori people don sama report say the implementation of the Supreme Court their judgment on local government autonomy is being hindered by logistical obstacles. Now, e get one thing wey dey block this level, so e get some kind of people wey no want make the thing to true happen for inside this our country, Nigeria. The mago e don too much to the extent wey we say they don't want good things for the local government. Just imagine. Now, to be specific, the federal government they yarn say they encounter difficulties on how they want to enforce the ruling of the Supreme Court now. And these difficulties now due to concern about the potential effects on salary disbursement where the order go bring on, so, and the operational sustainability of local government. That means local governments now they will can't change their pattern based on say they don't receive their money direct. And those difficulties now why the federal government never fit implement this local government autonomy where the Supreme Court don't order so. Now, we could just check out wetin Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State with the yarn before about the judgment, and I think they urge for a homegrown approach to safeguard the welfare of the people. Oga Seyi Makinde come the yarn say the law is the law, and when there is a conflict, yes, we should go to court, but it will be in the best interest of us to look for our own homegrown solutions. We go fit ensure say there is transparency and people no go suffer. This na because when two elephants dey fight, na the grass that go suffer. And according to multiple sources wey dey close to Nigeria Governors Forum and the federal government now they currently face a dilemma over how to move forward with enforcing the court ruling where they grant financial autonomy to local government areas them. And according to our source, the first step na the 3-month moratorium on the judgment. For the next 3 months, the local government allocation will still be paid into the joint account with the respective states, while a permanent solution will serve the objective of financial autonomy as ordered by the Supreme Court's judgment is being worked out. The governors they are very much happy say this judgment now come eventually, as it will relieve them of the burden of having to augment monthly Federation Allocation Account Committee allocation of the federal government to be able to pay local government staff plus primary school teachers and primary healthcare workers and others them. But however, they are apprehensive so that we go back to the early 1990 era, when primary school teachers and other local government members of staff dey owe salaries for an average of 12 to 24 months. So the issue of financial autonomy by the Supreme Court judgment, e no dey as rosy as e dey look. No be say you just look am say sweet, no be so im be. Only few local governments dem for inside Lagos, Rivers, Kano and the Federal Capital Territory na go fit comfortably cover their expenses using only monthly FAAC allocations and their internally generated revenue. Then for other states now, governors dey augment their allocation with state funds to be able to pay salaries. That na why the salary of primary school teachers and primary health workers, they are the responsibility of local government and is taken at first line charge through the joint account with the states. So now e don clear to both the federal government and the governors say problem go dey with this Supreme Court judgment so, and the local government dey go receive am hot by workers, by industrial action. So that my good people na the information wey we receive from our source. You know say the Supreme Court on the 11th day of July for inside this year 2024, they been sama ruling, they been drop order say make governors now no dey control the fund wey belong to local government dem, and the Supreme Court con direct the Accountant General of the Federation to pay allocations directly to the local government their account. You know say for inside the year 2019 under former President Muhammadu Buhari, the Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit, they been take steps, they been know the things and things to protect local governments their fund. They can issue a regulation wey ban state government from withdrawing large sum of money from local government their account. This move now was however met with resistance from the Nigerian Governors Forum. They say they no go gree, the policy e no make sense. Na so dem take tear down the policy. But now Ms. Anastasia Iwe, wey be the chairperson of the National Union of Local Government Employees for inside Akwa Ibom State, e don confirm am on Monday say the July allocation for 774 local government areas dem disburse am to the state commissioners of finance. She said the federal government no get the account details of the 774 local governments and they never do anything about the matter. No procedure, no process. Even till date, no updates on the account details of the 774 local governments dem. So my good people, this na the information wey I say make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free to make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our country, Nigeria. So if you would like to receive news like this, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the update and you go get them sharp. And I beg make you try to share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside we country, Nigeria. I dey bring another legitimate informate for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.